So let's take a look at Pathbrite and its functions and features from the student perspective. So I've actually created an account already. You could actually create a teacher account if you go look at the bottom of the page where it says for educators. But again, we're going to focus on the functionality more from a student perspective, although it is very important, and we'll talk about that throughout the presentation, that teachers can create courses and view students' work, but more of this so will be from the functionality of the student side. So I'm going to sign in using the information I already created. First thing that pops up is your profile page. You could edit this. You could insert a picture, change your contact information. I put a little bit about me and things I like to do for fun. But you could share this profile through many ways, through the URL, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, many other ways. If we look at the top, what I really like about this, it's very similar to social networking sites for students, which students are very comfortable with. You could change the settings on your account. The statistics portion is awesome because it gives students feedback about items in their portfolio or a specific portfolio or their profile itself. There's a notifications portion that pops up when there's new notifications or things to let the student aware of or exciting events regarding their portfolio. And here would be the help section. So now let's look at creating a portfolio. Showcase My Work is one that already exists when you log in. I've actually started on a small portfolio over here. So let's click on the one that's there. When you log in, you can, to change your portfolio, you go to the edit button at the top here. And what you see is what they have set up for you when you log in to a sample portfolio is they give you a few suggestions for ideas for students. You could upload your diploma, great for students graduating high school, your resume, videos of you doing community service or working, and then a project case study. So they give you some cool ideas to start with, but you see very easy to add an image, text, videos from anywhere, YouTube, Facebook, from your computer, a web link. This is fantastic compatibility amongst other programs. You can insert pictures from Instagram, Khan Academy badges, whether it be mathematics or reading. That's really fantastic because those are achievement badges. Prezi badges, items from Dropbox, YouTube videos, and files from Google Drive. Google is a huge and popular program used by a lot of schools, so it's very, very awesome, I should say, that students can insert files from their drive. So if we go back actually to the one I started to work on, here I uploaded a sample resume, and very easy to upload that. I just clicked on documents and I added this from my documents, but I could have also added it from Google Drive. And then when I'm finished with my portfolio, or if I want to share it halfway through, I would just go at the top here to share. And now I can share this link anywhere, and I can manage access as far as who exactly sees this. Doesn't have to be everybody. Very similar to the features of Google Drive where you can only share it with certain people. But many different ways you can share it. And you can also share it again through different platforms. And then finally, if we go back to my account, it's very easy for a student to add a course. And first, the teacher would have to create the course by creating a teacher login. But all a student has to do to join a course is simply type in the course code. Very easy to join an existing course a teacher has set up. Or you go to add a course here at the top. Same thing. And let's talk about the statistics to finish. this is really, really engaging for students because once you share your portfolio or your profile, the student gets insight, and I'll just keep it private for right now, but the student gets insight on how their things are doing. So you can see that it shows the top items per week or per month that people are viewing from your portfolio, independent viewer activity based on individual users, how your items rank, the engagement trends, and again, I don't have anything yet because I didn't share anything, but you could share these things on your social networking sites. So it's very, very engaging for students to see how their items are doing using the statistics item of Pathbrite. So Pathbrite is a great program, very user-friendly, free for students. There is cost to set up the teacher accounts and courses, but very user-friendly, engaging for students, motivating, good program.